If you're tired of constantly battling illnesses, feeling run down, and just not being your best self, you're in the right place. Today, I'm about to share my secret weapon for staying healthy, especially during the cold months. The Immune Balm. So, what's in this powerful concoction? It's super simple and super effective. You'll need 2 washed, cleaned, and cut lemons, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, a small piece of ginger, a palmful of walnuts and half a liter of honey. Let's start with lemons. Lemons are bursting with vitamin C, which is an incredible immune system booster. They're also packed with antioxidants, helping your body fight off infections and keeping you feeling your best. Next up, turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compound. It's known to enhance the immune system, providing added defense against illnesses. Now, ginger. Ginger has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. It's anti-inflammatory, helps with digestion, and can provide that extra immunity boost we all need. Let's talk about walnuts. These little powerhouses are not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamin E. They're known to support heart health, boost brain function, and improve your immune system. Let's put it all together. Take your washed and cut lemons, turmeric, ginger, and walnuts, blend them until they form a smooth mixture. Now, add half a liter of honey to the mixture. Honey not only adds a delicious sweetness but also has antibacterial properties. Give it another quick blend to ensure everything is mixed well. And there you have it. Your Immune Balm is ready to go. Here's how you can use this fantastic elixir. Take 1 tablespoon every morning on an empty stomach. It's a delicious and powerful way to kickstart your day, strengthen your immune system, and enjoy a virus-free autumn and winter. So, there you have it, my secret to staying healthy and vibrant, the Immune Balm. It's easy to make, delicious, and packed with immune-boosting goodness. Thanks for joining me today, and stay healthy.